Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord window motor. A non-working power window can be frustrating, but replacing the motor is a repair many can do at home. We will go through each step, from gathering your tools to testing the new motor. This process typically takes about 1 to 2 hours, saving you significant labor costs. Before starting, ensure you have a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Safety first, disconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Next, gently pry off the interior door panel using your trim tool, then carefully peel back the plastic vapor barrier to access the internal components. With the door panel off, use painter's tape to secure the window glass in its fully up position. This prevents it from falling during the repair. Locate the window motor and disconnect its electrical harness. Then, remove the 3 10mm bolts that mount the motor and regulator assembly to the door frame. Carefully maneuver the old assembly out of the door cavity. Now, carefully insert the new window motor and regulator assembly into the door. Align the mounting holes and secure it with the 3 10mm bolts. Reconnect the electrical harness to the new motor. Before putting everything back together, temporarily connect your window switch and test the window's up and down function to ensure proper operation. Once confirmed, reassemble the vapor barrier and door panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.